Hey everyone, I'm grill lover and grill photographer Mike Lang. Today we're making a lighter dish that's perfect for this warmer weather, plank salmon with a grilled pineapple salsa. By using a cedar plank, it gives the salmon a unique and unbeatable flavor, and pineapple, it just tastes great on the grill. For some, grilling fish might seem tricky. However, by using a cedar plank, all that difficulty is taken away. Before getting started, soak your plank in water for at least 30 minutes to an hour. Use something heavy to hold the plank down so it doesn't float. Set up the grill for indirect high heat, 450 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave your outside burners on and the middle burners off. First thing I like to grill, believe it or not, is the cedar plank. I like to put it on the grill and have it just start to smolder before adding the salmon. It only takes about a minute over direct heat. Place the salmon skin side down on the burn side of the plank, and then we can remove the skin if you want. I've done it both ways, and I really find it easier with the skin on. The cedar plank can add a lot of flavor to the salmon, so at the minimum, it just needs some kosher salt and freshly cracked black pepper. However, I like to liven things up a little bit, so I'll add in some sliced lemon and some fresh dill. All right, the salmon's ready. Now we also have to grill the pineapple. We'll dice up some of that with some red onion and some cilantro for a refreshing citrusy salsa. Place the plank over direct high heat. Now lower the lid and allow it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes until the plank begins to smoke and char. Then we're gonna move it to indirect heat to continue cooking. While the salmon's cooking, let's grill the pineapple slices. Now they're about a ½ inch thick, and they'll go over direct heat about 5 to 7 minutes, flipping once. I love to grill up some lemons as well. Total, this is about a 1.5 pound, 1-inch thick filet. It'll take about another 25 to 30 minutes. It's done when the center turns opaque and the outside edges begin to brown. All right, so go ahead and remove the pineapple from the grill, and we're just gonna chop it up. Add in some diced red onion, cilantro, a little bit of diced jalapeno, and finish it off with fresh lime juice and salt. We could even add in avocado, or we could change up the herbs and let's say use basil or mint, or how about the fruit? Instead of pineapple, we could go strawberry or mango. With salsa, anything is possible. Besides how delicious this is going to be, and I can smell it, I just love the presentation of salmon on a plank. Some of my favorite summertime meals are light and fresh just like this, and it doesn't have to be the plank. Think about the pineapple salsa with pork sliders or pineapple on shrimp skewers. There are so many possibilities, they all make me hungry. We've all been doing our best to stay healthy and safe. Thank you for staying in and grilling out. I'm incredibly proud to be part of a grilling community who loves to be together even when we're apart. Take care, fellow grill lovers. Keep the flame burning bright.